What would you do if you woke up with $1 million in your bank account? Here's what I'd do. Imagine this. You check your bank account and be $1 million. Let me show you how I'd spend it. First things first, I'd pay off any debts. Freedom from debt is the ultimate luxury. Show a quick graphic or animation of debts being paid off. Next, I'd treat myself to something I've always wanted, like a luxury car, a designer wardrobe, or a dream vacation. Use visuals of the item, for example, a Lamborghini, Gucci bags, or a tropical beach. I'd invest a portion of the money maybe in real estate, stocks, or a business idea. Show a mock portfolio or a house being purchased. I donate to a cause I care about or help out family and friends. Include a heartfelt moment to connect with your audience. Create a fun, fast-paced montage of how you'd spend the money. Shopping spree at luxury stores, booking a first-class trip to an exotic destination, throwing a massive party, or hosting a giveaway for your followers. Use upbeat music and quick cuts to keep the energy high. Ask your audience, what would you do with $1 million? Comment below. Would you save it, spend it, or invest it? Let me know. Encourage engagement by asking them to share their dream purchases. Wrap up with a call to action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.